The box the smart brake module came in, and here's the instructions for it. Shows you how to install it. These wires color scheme under Honda is not quite right though. Green I believe is correct. The other two are not quite right, but close. You'll find two plastic screws in the front and two metal screws down in the bottom that hold your tool tray in. Those have to be removed. They all four just unscrew. Then with the plastic ones on the front, once they unscrew, you just simply lift them up with your fingers. Then just simply lift out to get the plastic tool tray out of there. That shows you the inside, and this wire loom going up the side, you see I've already done that. I opened up the wire loom here with the plastic around it with a X-Acto knife, a sharp X-Acto knife, being very careful not to cut any wires inside of it. So the way it goes on is I have to open up this this wire loom right here. It's the big one on the left hand side, and then inside you'll find three wires: brown, green with the yellow stripe, and plain green. And the modulator's red and purple wire goes to the blue. Why am I not getting? There it is. Goes to the brown wire, and the white wire, I think they call it gray, goes to the green with the yellow stripe, and then the black wire goes to the plain green wire. And then you know it's working right when you turn on your ignition. Starts up and flashes once, just like that, and it's working. And when I got all done, I wrapped it all up in vinyl electrician tape. Then all you gotta do is tuck things out of sight here, down below, so they're not bothered. There's the module upside down. If you put it right side up, this way, the brake it doesn't flash. It just turns on the brake. If you put it this way, it flashes the brake during engine braking, which is what I prefer. Then just make sure all these wires are down and out of the way, and put it all back together. Okay, I tucked the ST2 module in next to the battery there. There's the battery, there's the module. I got some two-sided tape on there to help hold it off. Be sure you clean the side of the battery and the module before you add all that tape.